Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be baking vanilla cake and I decided to talk about motherhood while baking this cake. Why not?
Motherhood is
If not,
beautiful, but let's be honest, it's also messy, loud, overwhelming, and sometimes it's just plain hard, especially when you're trying to run a business, keep a home, and show up for everyone, including yourself.
I know a lot of people see the cakes, the smile, the content, but behind all of this, there are some days you have sleepless nights, mixed meal, and moments where I ask myself, am I really doing
There are
enough?
days I yell, days I feel like a failure as a mom, as a businesswoman, as a person. But guess what? That doesn't make me feel a bad mother. It makes me
Sometimes I
human.
decorate cakes when my kids are watching television and the guilt kicks in. Other days I cancel an order because my child needs me more than the money. And yes, I have burnt both cakes and
If
dinner.
you're watching this and feeling overwhelmed, I want you to know you are not alone. We are not robots. We are superhumans. We are not just doing our best with what we have. Flour on our apron, love in our hearts, and prayers on our lips.
You know you're a good mom regardless, even if the house is messy, even if the baby cried all day, even if the cake isn't perfect. Your love is showing up in the little things. So whatever it is, just know you are a good mom. Thanks, loves, for letting me talk while I baked this cake. If this touched you in any way, just drop a love in the comments. Let's support each other. No judgment. No shame, but just love. Yeah, just
Do not
love.
forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mom life baking realness. For the ingredients I used in baking this vanilla cake, I'll be leaving it on the description so you check it out if you want to bake. It's very easy. Just use the measurements and you have yourself a very lovely vanilla cake.